Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn how to make a flower with a paper. So let us start. Okay, for making a paper you have paper flower. You have to take any kind of paper. Even you can take any waste sheet which you may have. Like this is a waste paper I have taken from a card. First of all we need to convert into a square paper. So let us see how can we convert into a square paper. Fold the paper like this so that this end meets the another side, and tear this extra portion of the paper. As we will tear this extra sheet, we will get a square sheet. Can you see? Now this paper is a square. Earlier we had a rectangle sheet and now this is converted into a square sheet. So let us start. First of all we need to mark few lines. Fold like this and press it. Fold from the another side also. So we got two lines. Now give it a simple hanky fold. One and two, and give it a nice press. So you will get another two lines, the standing line and the sleeping line. So total here are four lines now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope it is visible. Using these lines we are going to fold this paper into a triangle. Let us understand how. First we'll fold from here half and I hold it from center, then half from this side and I'd hold it on the center. Again using the lines I am going to fold it into a triangle. I'll show once again. Using these triangular line I am going to fold it like this, only half, not full, half, and hold it. Then this way from the top, and now you can also check there must be these two cavities. You will be able to see your triangle in such a way. From both sides this is a triangle, and if you hold it upside this is like this. After this try to touch this tip on the top of the triangle and press from this side also. Same thing we will follow from the exact side. Turn it. 1, press, and 2, press. Now you are able to see that these two flaps meet here. Same thing is visible on the back side. If we try to see from the top, there are 4 leaves flying away, and on the bottom side all are joined. Now if we try to hold it in this way, we can see there is a closed side. This is open side, this is closed one. Same thing, open side, closed one. I'll show it like this. We have made this diamond shape and now we are folding this diamond shape closed inside, this open side inside and closed outside. From both the sides we need this closed one. Okay, now what will be the next step? We need to keep this petal side, this opening side on the top and the closed side at the bottom. This is your bottom and this is your top. Now again we are going to fold it halfway from this side like this, and then up to the half nearby this like this, fold. Same from the back side, repeat. Fold it like this and this. Now how does it look like? I'll show you. If you hold it from the top, this look like this. There are 4 edges and bottom. Now these 2 flaps are separate. We have to put one flap inside the other in this way. So this becomes 1 and give it a nice press. Same from the back side. Put this flap inside the other. Little effort is required, but you will get a flower soon. Give it a nice press. So I'll show you how does it appear now. This appears like this because we have put the flaps one inside the other, so the shape is changed. Now you may be able to see these leaves floating on the top. These are trying to come out, so we have to actually pull them out to make our flower ready, but very carefully. These are very delicate. As petals of flowers are delicate, these are too. So fold them a little bit, one at a time, and you may feel that your flower is very weak. So how will give it energy? By blowing air into it from a hole on the back side. If you will try to turn your flower upside down, you will find there is a hole, and what you have to do, just blow air into it with your mouth. Only a little air is required. If you will put extra, it will burst. Now we can pull the petals a little more to make a nice flower. And what we have to do, we just need another rough paper to make the stem of the flower. We can even use the leftover sheets which we had made in the starting from the rectangle page. Just fold it into a thin cylinder, or you can use any pencil, brush, or any cylindrical object, or you can use even green color paper or brown color paper to make the stem of the flower. We will put it inside this hole. And if you will paste this, so it will be permanent. Now this is a flower. I hope you like it. Try to make of your own.